Ah, good day, guys. I'm making this video to show us the new way to buy gas for our boat through TRX. Don't forget, normally we do use TPL before, but using TRX is more simpler and more time saving. So, first of all, what you have to do is just to go to the menu of your boat, like this at the top. After clicking the menu, scroll to the wallet section. So then you click on deposit. You click on deposit first. So what you want to deposit is a TRX. So after clicking on deposit, you click on this area, select coin to deposit. So before we do use CPL, but now I want to use TRX. So click on TRX. So after I click on TRX, can you see? Now I'm having my TRX wallet for my bot. So I just have to copy. So after copying, I've copied the TRX address. Don't forget, it says TRX. It says TRC20. That means we are sending TRX under TRC20 network. Don't forget, it's TRC20 network, that is Tron network. So now, after that, let me say if you are using your Binance or Bybit, anyone you are using, or let me say any exchange you are using, any exchange you are having your TRX in. So let me use Binance. Let me use this Binance as an example, based on the fact that most of us are trading with our Binance. So let me assume that you've already had your USDT inside Binance, or you've had your TRX inside Binance. So for instance, let's say you want to buy $90 gas to the bot, which is one of the minimum the trading gas package. So let's assume you want to buy $90 gas. So it means you need around 92 USDT. Yeah. Based on the fact that the moment you try to swap USDT to TRX in your Binance, they will take some little charges. And the moment you want to withdraw that TRX from your Binance to your bot, they will also take some little charges. That's why I said you need 92 USDT. So it means we will be swapping that 92 USDT to TRX in our Binance. So let me say you have the USDT already in your Binance. You can just come to this area to swap to TRX. Click on the trade here. Then now click on convert. Click on convert. This one is more easier. So the moment you click on convert, can you see now? So the moment you click on convert now, so you will now click on you click here first, you change it to USDT. That is from USDT. Can you see now? Then this one at the bottom, you change it to TRX. That is, you want to convert from USDT to TRX. Can you see now? So now you now input 92 USDT. Can you see I've input 92? So which means if I swap it to give me 327 TRX, you click on preview. The moment you click on preview, the thing like the transaction will get processed. It will get processed automatically. So that's the most easier way. So don't forget we've copied our wallet address, our TRX wallet address from our bot. So the moment we've already swapped USDT to TRX, now what we have to do is now to click on send. We want to send the TRX to our bot. We will send out the TRX. So now let me now say maybe the gas you want to buy is $400 gas. It means you will be converting 402 USDT like that to TRX. Are you with me? You'll be converting 402 USDT to TRX. So you now click on send. After click on send, you click on on-chain withdrawal. I'm just using Binance as an example. So you will now search for TRX. Don't forget it was TRX that you want to send to the bot, not USDT again. We've already converted the USDT to TRX. So you search TRX. You click on it. After clicking on it, so just paste the address. The address I copied from my bot. Is it TRX? Can you see? TRX TRC20 network. Can you see? We now see they will take charge of 1.5 TRX, which is $0.4. That's why I said add $2 to whatever amount of gas you want to buy. Add $2 to it. So then you now click on max. The moment you click on max, all the TRX that you were given, that you converted to, all the TRX will show at this area. Then you now click on withdraw. You click on withdraw. So the moment you click on withdraw, you verify the security. So within 2 to 3 minutes, the TRX will reflect inside your bot. So you now go back into your bot now. You go back into your bot. So after going back into your bot now, this is where you will know whether the TRX has reflected in your bot. Just click on the menu. After clicking on the menu, click on wallet area. Then click on buy CPL. Don't forget, if you want to buy gas in your bot, you will use CPL to buy gas. But to buy CPL, you need TRX. That's the reason why we send TRX from Binance to this our bot. So you now click on buy CPL first. CPL is the native token for Smart Capital Bot. So after you click on buy CPL first, so all your TRX that you withdraw from your Binance to your bot, all the TRX will be showing here. Let me assume that it is 1000 TRX. All the 1000 TRX will be showing here. So while you'll be having 0 CPL here, because you've not purchased any CPL in your bot before. So you will now click on this area. Don't forget, we want to buy CPL now. We want to use this TRX to buy CPL, so that CPL will be here and this TRX will be deducted in exchange. So you select funding, click on strong wallet balance, select network, click on TRC20. Don't forget, it is strong network TRC20. Then you now click on max. So the moment you click on max, it means all your TRX, everything will give you the CPL equivalent here. So now don't forget, me, I'm having 4 TRX here now, 4.9 TRX. So 4.9 TRX is giving me 10.4 CPL automatically. So you now click on buy. Me, I won't click on buy because I'm not buying. I already had gas inside this account already. So now you will now click on buy CPL on your own account like that. So once you click on buy CPL, the TRX will be automatically switched to CPL inside your bot. So which means you won't be having any CPL left here again. You won't be having TRX left here again. You will now be having CPL here. So don't forget, our aim is to buy gas. So it was that CPL you will now use to buy your gas. So you now come to this wallet section again. You now see where they wrote buy gas. Don't forget, when you withdraw the TRX to your bot, you will click on buy capital coin first. That's where you will use the TRX to buy CPL. After buying the CPL with the TRX inside your bot, you will now come to the menu again. You will now click on buy gas. So the moment you click on buy gas, all the CPL that you have will be showing here. Already, all the CPL that you now add inside your bot. So it was that CPL that you will now use to buy gas here. So let me say you are having 2000 CPL here, like that. So it means you will now input all the 2000 CPL here. So don't add any decimal. Don't add any decimal point. Just input whole number. So you see I input 2000 now. You will now click on buy gas. If your own CPL here is 1000 CPL, it means you input 1000 here. Then you click on buy gas. So after that, the transaction will get processed. Then you will not be having any CPL here anymore after it is processed. After the transaction has been processed. So which means you will now be having gas here. So that is it on how to buy gas to your Smart Capital Bot. So after you purchase the gas, in less than 24 hours, your rank will be appearing on your profile. That is, if you click on the menu of your dashboard here, your rank will be appearing at the top here in less than 24 hours after you purchase the gas. So thanks for watching, and in my next video I'll be showing us how to bind our Smart Capital Bot with Binance API for the purpose of trading inside our Binance. So which means our Smart Capital Bot will be able to trade for us inside our Binance safely, even when we are sleeping. Yeah, which means we add full access and control to our trading capital and profit 100% all the time. So thank you, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel.